Horrendous Drivers NZ and Beyond presents Horrendous Road Users. Episode 1. The New Zealand Transport Agency states, at night, wear light-coloured or reflective clothing, or carry a torch to help you be seen. Oh look, here's a nut job walking across the middle of a busy intersection as a 30-ton bus comes around the corner in the dark. The New Zealand Transport Agency states, on average, 36 pedestrians are killed and 1,000 pedestrians are injured on New Zealand roads every year. So, why does this moron want to become another pedestrian statistic? And this guy is wearing black clothing with no high-vis jacket or nothing visible to see this moron. If the bus driver hasn't got a busy enough job, he's got to watch out for the Silverdale inbred in nappies. Clearly, you can see that this is not a white zebra crossing. The queue that is blocking this main road is causing this guy to drive on the wrong side of the road and almost get hit by another vehicle for just trying to turn right. How considerate of the guy in the black vehicle to block the road. Oh my god, here it is, the McDonald's queue, coming out and blocking the main road. I don't know where they get their license from, but it must be from a cereal box. Here we go, round the bend. And what is this guy doing right here? There's no signaling, no brake lights, and the poor black car doesn't even know what the hell he is doing. Let's see what the New Zealand Transport Agency states. You must not park or stop your vehicle near a corner, curve, hill, traffic island, or intersection if it will stop other people from seeing along the road. Oh look, now he indicates at the last minute. I'm pretty sure that is the 3-second rule, not. Let's have a look at what the New Zealand Transport Agency states. The New Zealand Transport Agency states, you must signal for at least 3 seconds before you move towards the left or right, and stop or slow down. And don't forget the important message. Don't assume that other drivers have seen your signals. What a great place to park on a solid white line, which is used to indicate the boundary of the road, not to mention that it's just after a bend that people come around. This guy will be thinking, she'll be right, she'll be going round me onto the other side of the road, but that's okay because I'm okay. Yeehaw, cowboy! I'm gonna ride round that roundabout without looking to the right. Yeehaw! I'm pretty sure that the road code says to give way to the right. Let's look at what the New Zealand Transport Agency states. You must give way to all traffic that will cross your path from your right as you enter the roundabout. Looks like this cowboy wants to be dented on his side of the vehicle. And here we are, approaching some traffic, trying to turn right into the driveway. But oh yeah, we've got Space Waster here with the right-hand blinker on, who has more than enough space to move forward so their traffic can turn right into the gap behind them. They are also making the traffic back up behind them so no one can get into the driveway to these businesses. Again, New Zealand driving at its best. Here we got Millwater Moron backing out onto the main road in front of oncoming traffic and pulling forward into the traffic. Maybe Millwater Moron needs a new pair of specs. Otherwise, the New Zealand Transport Agency states, be careful when pulling out of a parking space. Don't forget to check for vehicles. Now that Millwater Moron is out of the car park, he has slowed down. What the is he doing? Is he slowing down because there's traffic in front of him? Look at the traffic light. It's green, and he is not moving forward. In any country, I am pretty sure that green means go. Now I can see Millwater Moron's thought processes in his brain. His brain is the size of a pea. And look over here. See the other car? It's just come out of its car park now. Millwater Moron has got his blinker on. Yay! To go back into another car park that is only 10 meters from the last car park that he just pulled out of. It must have been too hard for him to walk that distance. Explains our obesity rates in this country. Oh, look at this ute going over the grass and over the footpath where pedestrians walk along. Here's another one backing up to do the same trick across the path. All illegal and right next to a school. Maybe they are from the same family as Millwater Moron. Maybe Millwater Moron's mother is married to her cousin. As you can see here, the lights are green, and Millwater Moron's cousins have driven over the grass and the footpath to a traffic light that is currently red. There is definitely some intellect going on in this family. Check out Orewa Orange Ogre. It must think it is God's gift to the world. I can hear it right now.
I'm just gonna slip out right in front of this red car without stopping to give way because I'm the greatest gift given to the world. Yeehaw!
I'm sorry, Orewa Orange Ogre, but the New Zealand Transport Agency says otherwise. The New Zealand Transport Agency states you must give way to all traffic on the road.
Yeehaw, partner! I'm gonna ride straight onto the motorway at 20 kilometers below the flow of traffic, 'cause I don't need to see and check my mirrors for oncoming traffic, even though I've got a bunch of space in front of me to speed up to the flow of traffic.
Yeah, right, cowboy. The New Zealand Transport Agency states, when using an on-ramp to enter a motorway, change your speed to match the speed of the motorway traffic. Use the whole length of the on-ramp to adjust your speed. Don't change speed suddenly just as you enter the motorway. Now that we've come to the end of episode 1, who do you think deserves the award for the most horrendous road user? Is it Silverdale Inbred? Black Vehicle Guy? Bendy Wendy? Roundabout Cowboy? Space Waster? Millwater Moron? Ottawa Orange Ogre? Or Motorway On-Ramp Cowboy? Write your answers in the comment below, and at the end of the month, we will find out who the winner is. Next time on Horrendous Road Users, Potty the trolley driver takes over half of the road, and No Lights Nick drives out of the car park into the dark city with no lights on. And are you sick of people being inconsiderate on the road? Reiterate messages to others with these products from our Redbubble shop. Tell them to keep to the left or right depending on what side of the road you drive on in your country. Or remind them to give way when they are supposed to. New designs will be released on a frequent basis, so keep checking in to find out what they are. Thanks for watching. Hit the subscribe and like button if you enjoyed this video, and the notification bell so you don't miss the next episode of Horrendous Road Users.